First, we mark the wall to know exactly where the holes for our grab bar will be placed. Proper marking ensures accurate alignment. Next, we carefully drill the holes on the marked spots. Always drill slowly and steadily to avoid cracking the tiles.
Take a breath, no need to fear. Smile right
Now, we insert plastic anchors, also called tocks, into the holes. These provide strong support for the screws and keep the grab bar secure.
but your good vibes light the way. Laugh a little, spin around.
A quick check, drilling once more to ensure proper fit for the anchors. Insert the remaining anchors into the other holes. This step is important to balance the grab bar strength on both sides.
All to hear. We're living now with no stress, all cheers. Snap your fingers, tap your feet. Troubles walking down
Now,
the street.
position the grab bar and screw it tightly into place.
Happy's what
Make sure all screws are firmly secured. The bar should feel solid and not move when you pull on it.
do, ba, ba, ba. Ooh, yeah. No stress, all cheers. No stress, all cheers. Let joy echo through the years. Come on, bring the party near. With hearts so light, we got no stress, all cheers. No stress. Wake up late, the sun still shines. Left your keys, that's just fine. Take a breath, no need to fear. Shake it off and smile right here. No stress, oh cheers. Let go your worries and your fears. Life's too short for frowns and tears. So dance it out with no stress, all cheers. Rain might fall, the sky might gray, but your good vibes light the way. Laugh a little, spin around. Make your joy the loudest sound. No stress, oh cheers. Let go your worries and your fears. Sing it loud for all to hear. We're living now with no stress,
finish,
all cheers.
Attach the caps to cover the screws. This makes the grab bar look neat and professionally installed.
Walking down the street, but we're dancing, smiling wide, 'cause happy's what we feel inside. Do, ba, ba, ba. Ooh, yeah.
And that's it. Installation complete. Your grab bar is now ready to
No
use.
stress, all
Safe,
cheese.
secure, and stylish.
No
Don't
stress,
forget to like, share,
all cheese.
and subscribe for more DIY videos
Let your
from ZTA Charity TV.